Nice quick start.
Well, things are pretty active here at the Happier House. We have our Cody Walter stealing all of our papayas. He's even getting into our compost bin, so that mess occurs pretty much every day. We have cows now that are eating Rob's hibiscus. And I have no idea how to get rid of them because they don't teach you that in New Jersey.
Stop feeding them and calling them cuties. And
They just happen to be the compost pile back there, and they really are cute with these big, big brown eyes. But they're eating all the hibiscus, so I don't know what Rob's supposed to do. I'd love suggestions. Pour, I don't know, cinnamon on the line, like you have to get rid of ants. Or it was hilarious in Gracia. We woke up and there was a horse in our window. And I was so excited because this random horse just came on the property. And I was like, oh my gosh, we're gonna have a horse, we're gonna have a horse. But the horse ate Rob's string beans. So Rob's flipping out and doesn't know what to do. So he's like, I'm gonna make a mixture of olive oil and garlic. And he sprays it all over the string beans. And what he basically made was a salad for this horse.
The horse loved it.
Horse ate all the string beans. I don't really care because, you know, the garden isn't really my thing.
How am I supposed to know it was an Italian horse?
The horse stayed for around 2 weeks, ate everything, and then some guy came and took the horse back.
Well, you kept feeding him too. So.
I did feed him too. I mean, for like 2 weeks I had a horse. It was great. It's a little crazy at the Happier House, but not as crazy as today, because I'm going to show you what a loofah looks like. And I bet you think loofahs come from the sea, but they don't. They look like this. Loofahs are actually gourds. Are they gourds?
I think they're gourds.
I think they're gourds. They're gourds.
Yeah, you can eat them.
Yeah, when they're little, they're green. So when they're tiny, they look like cucumbers. And when they get big, kind of like this, then you know they're great for picking, and there's a loofah inside here.
When was the last time you picked one?
It's not important, Rob. The important thing is I have this great loofah idea, like a huge business idea. We're just going to plant 100,000 of these things, and we're going to have a big loofah farm.
The loofah tycoon Costa Rica, baby.
But this one isn't ready yet. We have to go outside, and I'm going to pick one off the vine, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is our loofah plant.
Looks like an orange tree.
This is not an orange tree. This plant is actually like a vine, and it's growing on this tree. And there's one here that's green, but that's not ready. This is the one that we're gonna do, right, Rob?
That's the one, baby.
So I'm gonna pick this one. And now, hey, carrots.
Hey, babies.
Okay, I have to bang this against my...
Not yet. First, you gotta peel it.
I gotta peel it?
Peel
Like
it.
this?
Stick your thumb under it. Stick your thumb in there and then slide long ways. Okay, that'll work too.
I've never done this before. Rob always
You
does
think?
it for me. Oh my gosh, what a mess. I don't want to get it on
Yeah,
my
you wanted to
dress.
do it in the house. You don't even want to get it on your dress, let alone the whole house.
My dress is dry clean, babe. Okay.
Okay, now you gotta get the seeds out of it.
Okay.
So how you gonna do that?
So now I need to bang it.
Yep, hard. Keep doing it over and over. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna have loofahs everywhere. The seeds are flying. Now rip the small end, rip it off. Come on, you can do it. Okay, give me that thing.
Okay.
Banging, more banging. Now the other way. Okay, good, good, good. All right, let me see if you got all seeds out. Okay, let's see. Hey, not bad. Yep. It's
Okay.
a loofah.
Now we can take this inside and finish it up. This, once it dries, you cut it, or do you cut it before you dry?
You don't really even have to cut it, but we cut it so you get more out of it.
Okay, and then your finished product is this. This is awesome. This is biodegradable, and it is tough. This one, this is funny, Rob uses to exfoliate his bald head. This one I use to wash the dishes. Why are we using sponges when we can use something biodegradable? So this is for the dishes, and this, you're not even gonna believe this. This is so tough, it will clean a barbecue grill. We take it, and you see, your typical barbecue cleaner. So this side's the metal, you clean it, and then the other side you finish with this, but this has rubber microparticles that burn and singe on the grates. So what we do now is, well, actually what Rob does. He does, I think they figured that out by now. So he puts it on like this, and he cleans the barbecue grill. And I am telling you, I swear, it works. And once it's gross and dirty and not useful, we just throw it away.
And if you end up eating some of it, it's not going to give you cancer.
This is, I'm telling you, this is such a great thing for our planet, and we should all be doing this. So I think that's my next grand idea, loofah farmer.
You love my loofahs.
We'll be right back, but until then, I'm going to show you a couple clips of this Drake's Bay vacation we went on, and I get to show you all the really beautiful things we saw down there.
So good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Oh, life is calling, and the world is beautiful. So beautiful. Life is calling. Life is calling. Life is calling. The world is beautiful. Life is calling. The world is beautiful.
From my kitchen to yours, happier house loofahs. And on a personal note, we miss each and every one of you, and we can't wait till we see you again. Pura vida.
Life